how to convert mixed number to improper fraction. So to convert mixed number to improper fraction, all we have to do is multiply the denominator to the whole number and then add the numerator to the product. Okay? Add natin dito. So therefore, 2 and 1/3. So I'll rewrite 2 and 1/3. So to convert this in improper fraction, so we multiply this. So 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. And then we add the numerator, 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. Just copy the denominator. So therefore, 2 and 1/3 is equivalent to 7/3. Okay? So next number, 4 and 4/5. So convert 4 and 4/5 to improper fraction. So we have 4 and 4/5. So just multiply this. 5 times 4, that is equal to 20. And then add the numerator, 20 plus 4, that is equal to 24. Just copy the denominator. So we have 24/5. So next we have 1 and 4/9. So multiply the denominator to the whole number. 9 times 1, that's equal to 9. And then add the numerator, 9 plus 4, that is equal to 13. Just copy the denominator. We have 13/9. Okay, so try nyo naman ang number 4. And then comment your answer.